Jesus talking with a mentor.
I knew that going in, and being part of Bridge was a really good experience because I got to get paired up with a mentor and a few other students that were first generation and also going into their first year of college.
Jesus and mentor walk across oval.
For being a Bridge Scholar, it's a really cool opportunity because it's a very big commitment taking that first summer right after graduating and before going into college.
Jesus sitting under a tree working on his laptop.
It kind of feels like jumping off the deep end, but it's really cool because you get to kind of just experience campus on your own and only a few people that are also doing summer classes. So it felt really good being a Bridge Scholar. They're giving me different resources. They're pairing me up with the Career Center.
Walking out of the mechanical engineering office.
It helped a lot with kind of getting more involved, getting a job and applying to different things that I wanted to be part of.
Working at a computer in the lab.
And now I'm part of the Office of Admissions where I give tours.
Giving a campus tour.
Enjoy the beautiful days, show off campus during the summer.
Walking across the oval.
When I first started doing Bridge, I took 2 classes, which were each 3 credits. I took Composition 150 and Idea 210, which both classes were really great as in kind of getting a foundation of how college was going to be like. And both of them kind of fit into my curriculum, so it was really good to get a head start on those classes.
Jesus walks into engineering building, high-angle view of lab space.
And I just enjoyed having that experience of being able to go into the lab, get to check out the different things I got to do and learn some more every day. My JTC class was online, so it was really cool having both of that aspect of in-person classes and then online classes. So that's what it really means to be a Bridge Scholar. It's even though you're first generation, you're going into your first year, you really belong here even as a first generation student.
Sitting at a computer, graphic reads, CSU Summer Session, Explore, Experience, Expand, summer.colostate.edu.